Alright, today we're taking this and turning it into this for under $20. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you're going to do, we're going to access this battery door. Take this off. Just going to grab your flat bladed screwdriver. There's a slot back here. Just stick it in there and pop this cover off. Go gently with it. It does come right off though, it's pretty easy. And pop that cover off. There's your battery door. Here's your battery. This is a 2032 battery. We're going to be replacing the battery as well. So let's get the battery out of there. Take a small screwdriver. Just kind of work it out here. Careful of the computer board behind it. Take that, put that to the side. This is your circuit board. We're trying to get that out and put it in the new case. Next thing you're going to do is there's some more tabs here. You're going to pop this tab. That opens up this crease here. Pop this tab. And you work your way down the side of this. Go along, be very careful. Take the tab. That comes out. And there you go. Here's your two halves. Let's grab our new remote. This one's kind of shiny and chromy and looks good. Gonna take these sides off. Over there. Take the other side off, put that there. We're gonna open that up, lay it out. I didn't take the back cover off yet for the batteries, so we'll do that. And there you go, you have both sides there. This is the old one. This is the new one. Alright, I'm going to take your circuit board out of here, put it in the new one. Comes right out. It has these two tabs here. That's what we're going to line up in the new one. So be careful with this thing, handling it. And these buttons here face down, obviously on the buttons in here. You're going to line it up with these two tabs. Put that in like so. Short sitting flush. There you go. You hear it snapping a little bit. Take your back half. Put that on. Close it together. Put your chromes on there. Chrome side pieces to hold this together. Put that on there. Move this out of the way. Now we're going to open up the back door. Slide our new battery in. Use a small screwdriver for this. Just trying to go careful with it. Don't want to break it. It does pop loose. There you go. Same cover. I think we have to take this gasket out of here. Take the gasket out of the old cover. That there. Line that up in there. Here's your brand new 2032 battery. Slide that in. That sticks down. Positive to the top. It does have a diagram here how to put the battery in. Positive up to the top. Nice. Put the battery cover on. This is going to have a little hook here. It hooks into the front here. Just take that, hook it in the front, like so. Then these two tabs lock into here. That's it. You're in like Flynn. Under 20 bucks, new remote. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.